Extras. In this tutorial I'm just going to show you how that you can use gradient map to create wonderful colour effects with patterns in Photoshop CC. So I've just already created the pattern design. I'm using the star design pattern from Graphicxtras. It's just been applied via the layer, new fill layer pattern. So I've just created that. Now you could of course go straight to gradient map, but I actually prefer personally to always use various filters before I actually go to the gradient map. I think this creates nice. So stylization 10, cleanliness 10, scale, all the other things are set to 0. So that creates a nice smeary effect in the oil paint. Oil paint works great once. It also works, I think personally, better twice or 3 times. Though it does have a tendency to make things slightly darker. You notice it gets a bit duller there, I would say. So auto tone. Now once you've done that, of course you can apply other filters. Watercolour, sponge, underpainting. Just bring that up. Personally, watercolour I think is one of the nicest ones. So just going to apply watercolour. Right, so I've got that. Now I can go to oil paint again. I like a bit more oil paint, so click OK. Now image, adjustments, gradient map. And straight away you can see you've actually got a really interesting pattern. It's just basic pattern. You've just actually, you can just go from one pattern to another pattern. You can explore a whole range of different pattern designs, great backgrounds, great, or maybe as a frame, maybe as an overlay or design, whatever. So I'm just going to just select that color. Now of course you can modify that, so you can just click there and you can bring up the various stops, so you can modify the actual, make it far tense that way. Add additional colours there, so you can just go in there, maybe add black or white, maybe green, and so on and so on. Click OK. Right, at that point you've actually got near enough design, but now you can go back to filter, oil paint, and you can basically continue the process. Just keep going backwards and forwards until you actually get, well in this case obviously looks very much like a Vincent van Gogh sunflower kind of scene. So anyway, I hope you found this quick run through of the gradient map and applied patterns.